Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. So we have Baby No Money, and this song is called Meant to Be, okay? So this will be a quick one. We have only 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song, only one string pattern. You can switch it up to have 2 versions of it, and that's it. So let's dive into Meant to Be, and we don't need any capo for this, so let's dive right into the chords, and we're gonna start with C. So C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. E coming up there, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And then we will end with 2 bar chords. The first one is the F, and you're gonna place your index finger on the 1st fret where you cover all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the 4th and final chord is still a bar chord, and that's F minor. So what you do there from F is just to take off this 2nd G, and you have it barred behind there with the index finger. So that's the only thing you need to know when you go from F to F minor. Just lift off the finger, and there you have the chord progression: C, E, F, and F minor. Okay, so 2 different styles of playing the strumming here. One is with the clap, more emphasized on the beats. We can start with that. So if you grab the first chord, C, you will play down, up, clap, up, like this. So down, up, clap, up. You're gonna play 4 string rounds per chord. And it goes like that from the beginning till the end. C, E, F, F minor, like this. We can also play with just down, up, down, up. So a down will replace the clap. If we play it with down, up, I would like to emphasize that down. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you emphasize in the way that you're gonna play more of a full down stroke on that one, or at least go down to the higher strings. So that means you're gonna play more in the bass strings with the first down, the up, and the last up. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass, like that. Okay, so you're gonna play the same amount of string rounds, 4 per chord, and it sounds like this. And there you have it, guys. bbno Money is Meant to Be. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.